The CO10 Bluetooth clock. It connects to the internet for the atomic clock to set your clock up only. We're going to show you what you get inside the box and how to set it up. We have a USB cable, 4 feet, a USB-A port to plug in to power your unit. The clock in white. Check online for further details about the make, model, and colors, and an instruction guide to simply go over and set your clock up. With the USB-C and A plugged into power source, we have an area in the back DC 5 volt to plug in, with the alarm volume located right next to it, and on the sides a light dimmer. And we have a large speaker in the back, rubber feet on the bottom, 12-hour, 24-hour military time, the alarm clock setting, the tunes and daylight savings time by a long press, a negative to go down, a positive to go up, and a long press over 5 seconds to reconnect to Bluetooth. We have a light for the bottom, which is your night light, your snooze button, and the multi-RGB light for the clock. When opening up the battery door, you have 2 AAA batteries supplied. Plug in your USB-C clock and get ready. It will keep the set time that you have set it to. We're going to show you how to connect to Bluetooth and set up the clock correctly. And you are going to take your phone, open up your Bluetooth, and you have within 2 minutes as the Bluetooth is flashing, or simply hold down for 5 full seconds or more. You see the Bluetooth is off. We want that Bluetooth to be in a flashing mode. You see CO10 alarm clock. Simply click it. It acknowledges and connects and sets your time automatically. On the top of the clock, you have a AM and PM military time. It is 3:27, 15:27. If you need to change your time manually for yourself to add additional or subtract, long press the button. Set the date of the year. Again, set the month, set the days, and set the time, set the minutes, and you're all set up. You have daylight savings time. You're going to go to the button that is the tunes, long press. It sets up and off daylight saving times, and long press to set on. In order to change to the 15 different tunes, short press on the third button. Lower down the volume of the alarm. Be able to hit the plus and change to all the different tunes. Those are the 15 tunes of the clock, and it is super loud. You have the negative and the positive to change with the Bluetooth to set as we've shown, and then you have a light that changes to different colors, and the adjustment light that will brighten and darken. As we dull the light, shut it off altogether, and brighten the light, we continue to go to all the different colors that will breathe and change colors. There are 6 to 8 different modes. And you have also additional clock lights. As you press on the clock snooze, you have a multicolored digital changing: red, green, blue, purple, a different type of blue, a white, and a multicolor, and so forth. You have the alarm clock that you can set by hitting the second button. Long press. The alarm clock is over here, and you're going to set up by hitting the positive or the negative. Alarm again for the minutes, or hold down to speed it up. We're going to set it to go off at 3:32. The alarm has gone off. You have a snooze button and a snooze for a number of minutes till you hit it again. If you want to stop it, just hit that. The alarm will be set up for the next day. The alarm and time clock. Extra loud, nice large letters, with a nightlight built in, that letters and nightlight adjustable, and the volume level of the alarm. Very simple and easy to operate. I hope you enjoy your alarm clock. If this product is right for you. Great for a kid-sized bed, living room, dining room, office, anywhere that you need to have an alarm and time. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.